Hello everyone, this is Bharti. I have completed my Master of Computer Application in 2025. After that, I joined eVision Technosoft 45 days internship program. During my internship, I gained hands-on experience in CCNA, Windows administration, and ITIL, fundamentals of networking and vendor management. I gained valuable exposure in these topics, and the teaching team was very helpful to us. They are teaching very well, and also placement team and the recruiter Deepthi ma'am also very supportive to us. I got placed in Excel IT services through client is Britannia. Thank you for giving this support to us.